the basic idea is to really understand the problem of a client, because the first part of AI Sprint is really workshop with the client, a two-part event that we try to understand a lot of problems that you are facing, and we are trying to deliver a solution that will tangibly increase and improve your business, really. So in order to do that, we really need to take a good look at your problem, understand it, and then apply a solution for your specific problem, really. We're quite flexible. We can do it here, or we can come to your company and make workshops there. The first part is about understanding your whole process that you have problem with. So explaining the problem to us in order to for us to understand what's the biggest challenge. Then the second part is about the nitty-gritty data and what can we achieve with data at this point. And the last part really is to try to tackle one problem, really pinpoint the specific solution, and try to apply a acceptance criteria for that model to work. Because if you're not measuring it, how can you know that you are making any progress? So in order to implement and to show not only for the client, but for example for the stakeholders that the whole process had any improvement, we need to have a problem to solve and a way of measuring that we are achieving our solution. Good planning to tackle the problem is really the attitude to have, because AI can solve your problems, but in order to do that, you need some kind of framework to guide you with the implementation, really. Here at Neoteric, we mainly try to guide businesses with their problems. For example, we've reduced churn by 20%. We made a pricing prediction for a client, like dynamic pricing. And recommender systems, which I specialize in. Okay, there's a bunch of questions that you should ask yourself, and basically we have that written down. You can find the link to our prep for AI Sprint down below. So you need to answer those questions. You don't need to have all the answers, but they mostly try to tackle what your problem is, what's your data structure, really, and what's your problem. I know that might not be specific, but we are tackling so many different problems. So there's no one solution. We need to understand your problem, really.